Dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay can be pretty challenging at times. That is why in this video I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide in how you can successfully dropship from AliExpress to eBay and eliminate all of your concerns. By the end of this video, you should have all of the information you need to be a successful dropshipper from AliExpress to eBay. So let's get this video started. First things first, what is AliExpress? AliExpress is first of all a Chinese marketplace owned by the Alibaba Group. This platform offers a wide variety of products at very competitive prices. The difference between Alibaba and AliExpress is the fact that Alibaba usually deals business to business, while AliExpress is more like a retail platform dealing business to customer. This is the reason why AliExpress has become so popular among dropshippers, because you can basically sell anything worldwide without having to keep stock of that product. Now, AliExpress is pretty well known as the go-to platform if you want to have a dropshipping store and sell products that you can find on AliExpress. But now the question is, can you actually dropship from a platform such as AliExpress to eBay? And the short answer is absolutely yes. As long as you're following some guidelines and the eBay rules, you will be able to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. First of all, you should follow some guidelines that are related to shipping times. Second of all, product quality also matters. You cannot sell anything on eBay. And third of all, there are some products that you need to avoid if you want to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. And those products are hazardous substances, trademark brands, copyrighted products, age-restricted items. Now, of course, you can sell these, but I would advise you to just avoid them. And also, I want to add the fact that you gotta comply with the customer protection laws if you want to sell anything on eBay. So this video is gonna be broken into a few pieces. Make sure to watch until the end because that's how you will get the whole picture. And we're gonna start off with setting up our eBay seller's account. That's the first thing we should do. All you have to do is go to eBay and click on My eBay. On the drop-down menu, just click Selling. This will get us to the sign up page. After that, all you have to do is click on Create an Account to register. After this, we can just begin our registration process. Now, when you're setting up an eBay account, you can either opt for a personal or a business account. As an individual beginner dropshipper, I highly advise you to get started with a personal account. And after that, once you get some sales rolling in, you can opt for the business one. After that, all you have to do is click Submit and the eBay team will walk through your registration form and approve your account. Alright, now that we got it out of the way, the second thing we need to do is to create an AliExpress account because that's where we're gonna get the products that we're gonna sell on eBay, right? Same process, very easy. Click on the top right, select register from there, put your email address and hit create account. That's it, we're all set. The only thing you need to do is to just select your preferred payment method, so it's gonna be easier for you to actually pay for products. That was easy, guys, right? So now the only thing left for us to do is to find an actual winning product that we wanna sell. A winning product is a product that's basically making waves on the market and a lot of people want to buy that product. Now remember, eBay is a very vast marketplace. You can find all kinds of products from all kinds of sellers all around the world in the same place, meaning that the competition is very high. So after you find a good winning product, you will compete with a lot of other sellers. This means that if you really want to be successful when you're just getting started out, you need to find a very good product and be ahead of your competition. There are multiple ways in which you can find these winning products. Some of them are not in your advantage, such as manual research. If you're doing manual research, you're gonna have to do a lot of work by yourself and a lot of testing by yourself. You're gonna waste a lot of time and money. And then there are some tools that will basically give everything in front of you. You can just use that information and just make your decision and start selling those products. Now, one of the best places you can find winning products is the AutoDS Winning Products Hub. It's a hub that's designed just for people like you who are looking for winning products. We have a wonderful team of people that's doing 24/7 work just to give you these products. These products are all tested and vetted by our team. So any product that you find on the AutoDS Winning Product Hub is a product that's making waves on the market right now. AutoDS will also tell us how much we can source this product for, how much we can sell it for, what is the average competition, what profits can we get for that product. And also the reason why I've picked AutoDS to be the first one, because they have an amazing tool that's something worth having. They have a spying tool that lets you see other competitors' websites that are selling the same product. So whatever product you see on the AutoDS Winning Products Hub, you can click on it and you can see a couple of stores that are selling that product. Now, this is not only good for you to see whoever else is selling that product, but to also see how they are selling that product and get inspired from other stores. Now, all you have to do once you find a product that you want to sell from the AutoDS Winning Products Hub is click Import Draft. This will move that specific product in your draft section. After that, we can optimize it. We can change the description, we can change the pricing, we can change the pictures, add some more pictures, eliminate some pictures that we don't want maybe. And once the product is all set, you can immediately publish it on your eBay store. Now, this was only one single product. If you want to be a professional dropshipper and a profitable one, you need to have multiple products like this one. Now, AutoDS is helping you a lot with this. All you have to do is fill up this sheet right here. By the way, it is called the AutoDS Product Research Spreadsheet, and you can find it in the description. I'm gonna put a link in there. Now, after you found some products, after you fill up that sheet, you're gonna have some numbers in there. You're gonna have some profitability metrics. Based on those metrics, you can make your decision on what product you wanna go with. There's another good method. You can just go to the product finding blog by AutoDS, and you can find a lot of articles that are dedicated to product research. Next up, there's an area called AliExpress Super Deals. All of these deals are basically telling you what products are being trending right now. If you're following that area, you will always know what products are being sold the best. And there are a few more methods. I highly encourage you to check the first link in the description. It is a blog post where I am explaining everything in detail. But make sure to follow this video until the end because the video will provide you more information. Now, we did some product research with AutoDS. We have decided on a product. The only thing left for us to do is to import that product from AliExpress into our eBay account. Now, generally, there are two ways to do this, manually or automatic. Importing the product manually can be such a hassle. It can take up a lot of time and energy. The first thing that you need to do is go to the AliExpress product page and download each and every product page. After that, copy the product description, but you cannot use that because it's like a generic Chinese product description. You cannot use that because your customers will know that you got the product from AliExpress. So you have to change that. After that, you need to give a name to the product, upload all of the pictures that you've used to eBay, create a new product description, create a new pricing model, and start selling the product. But there is also an automatic way that will let you import any product from AliExpress to eBay with the help of just one single click. So the first method is single product importer. And yes, you've guessed that right. If we have a single product importer, this means that we also have a multiple product importer, which is the cherry on the top of the cake. The single product uploader lets us import any single product from AliExpress to eBay with one single click. All you have to do is go to the AliExpress product page on the product that you want to sell, copy the link, go to your AutoDS account, click on the Add Products button. After that, select Single Product and paste the URL that you've just copied from the AliExpress product page. All you have to do is click on the Edit Now button, which will take you to a page where you can edit the product. And once it's done, the product will be available in the draft section. Now, in the draft section, there are multiple things you can change about the product if you don't like them, or you can just publish the product. I have a pro tip for you. For product description, I highly encourage you to use a tool such as ChatGPT. This will greatly increase your conversion rate and your product page will look a lot better. After you do this, all you have to do is click Save and Import. After you do this, the product will be automatically imported from your AutoDS account to your eBay account. This will basically move the product from the draft section to the product section. In the product section, you will also see all of the other products that you have imported. We have the eBay account, we have the AliExpress account, we have imported our first product. The only thing left for us to do is to make actual sales. But on a platform such as eBay, it's gonna be hard for us to just wait for people to buy our products, so we have to run some ads. As you can see right here, eBay has like an internal way for you to run ads for your products, and you can set up a daily budget as well. There are two ways we could do this. First of all, we have the eBay Promoted Listing Standard, and after that we have the Advanced one. There are some things that I would highly encourage you to do if you want to drive up your sales. One of them would be, just as I mentioned before, having a very good product description, and I mean text. The product description can make or break a deal. The customer that wants to buy the product needs to know what problem are you solving with that product. You can also have volume discounts, so you will incentivize people to buy more than one piece. I would give you some advanced selling techniques. First of all, if you want to sell more, you need to have some discounts in there. You always need to have sales and discounts going on because people are gonna buy more. Second of all, volume discounts. You need to make sure that you're always offering your clients the possibility of buying more than 2 pieces and offer them a better deal. And third of all, eBay is such a highly competitive platform. You need to always find out something that will put you on the top of your game. One of those things could be posting organic content on a platform such as TikTok. TikTok is really well known for blowing up organic content, and you definitely can take advantage of that. You can create a brand new TikTok account and deliver content that is related to the product that you're selling on eBay. For this, all you have to do is order the product to your house, and that would be the only cost that you will have. The other cost is only your time. And given the fact that when you're just getting started, your time is not that valuable, your time doesn't cost thousands of dollars every hour, you can invest that time into shooting content because it's basically considered free marketing. All you have to do is shoot, let's say, 100 videos of the product that you want to sell on eBay and use those 100 videos on a daily basis until one of them will blow up. Trust me, you do not need more than one video to blow up in order for your eBay to start racking some sales. Alright, so now we are on high horses. We have a lot of orders going in, right? So what is the next thing that we need to do? Actually fulfill those orders. So all you have to do when you're getting a new order, somebody actually paid for that order, you're gonna take that money and you're gonna go to the supplier that's selling you that product, you're gonna pay him the money that you owe him, and you're gonna tell him to send that product to your customer's house. You're gonna have to do all of this manually. So you're gonna have to take the name of the client, give it to the AliExpress seller, take the address of the client, give it to the AliExpress seller, take the quantity of the products that he bought, select that on the AliExpress platform, so on and so forth. You need to make sure that the color that your client bought is the same as the color that you're ordering from the AliExpress seller. All of these things have a lot of details in them, so you need to be very careful. Now, this is okay for you to do for 1, 2, 3, 5 orders per day, but when you're gonna start getting like 100, 200, 500 orders per day, that's gonna be a problem. And the solution to that is automatic fulfillment by AutoDS. Yes, of course, AutoDS will help you fulfill the orders automatically, just as it helped you import the products to your eBay store. So when you're working with Fulfilled by AutoDS, by the way, link in the description, you're used to that, just check it out, you will not regret it. When you're working with us, you're not gonna have this problem anymore. You can have 1,000 orders a day without having to think about how you're gonna fulfill all of those orders, because AutoDS is gonna do everything for you. And on top of that, we have a tool that's called AutoDS Wallet, in which you can allocate funds that you can use for fulfillment purposes. So by using Fulfilled by AutoDS, we can assure that we're gonna focus all of our attention on acquiring customers, which is way more important than fulfilling orders and doing all of this mundane work. So now that you fulfill the orders, you started shipping the orders to your clients, inevitably you're gonna run into some kind of problems. There'll be customers angry about the quality of the products. So you can only imagine that once you start getting like 500 orders a day, there will be a very small percentage of those orders that will require your assistance in any way possible. Now, this is where it gets tricky, because on eBay, it's very important for you to have top-notch customer support. On eBay, you're gonna get ratings. If you're just selling some products on a random website that you have just created, you're not gonna have this problem. But if you're gonna sell on eBay, you're gonna have a rating system. People are gonna give you stars, and those stars are gonna be seen by other people who wanna buy something from you. So you gotta make sure that you're gonna be as close as possible to 5 stars. So for this, I would have 3 main rules that I would want you to follow. First of all, exceptional customer support, and on top of that, make it fast. Don't let your customers wait for your answers. A combination of these 2 things will lead to positive reviews. Second of all, don't complicate the return policies. Make sure to have them as simplified as possible. Now, I understand this can be a hassle if you're dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, but this is something that's non-negotiable. And third of all, you should work with suppliers that have worldwide warehouses so they can ship the products as soon as possible. Alright guys, so now that I have talked about everything you need to know about dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, I'm gonna give you some advantages and disadvantages. One of the biggest advantages is the fact that you're gonna have a huge product selection that you can play with. Second of all, eBay offers global shipping, so that's a very good thing. Third of all, it is a dropshipping friendly supplier. There are a lot of suppliers that are not dropshipping friendly. Fourth of all, very low startup costs, just like in any dropshipping venture. And the final advantage, you're gonna have free organic traffic, which is priceless. Now let's talk about the downsides a bit. The biggest downside for this business model is the fact that you have zero control over shipping times. If you own stock of the product, if you have the product, somebody gets it from you, you can ship them the product and you will be in control of that. You can tell them and you can know how much it's gonna take for that product to reach your customer. If you are using a supplier from AliExpress, you're not gonna have so much control over that. Second of all, no bundled options. Now this is a pretty big disadvantage, I would say, because if you want to sell more products, they're all gonna get to your customer's house separately and not bundled up in one single box. And third of all, I have to say this again, but the competition is crazy on eBay. Just like it is here on YouTube. So if you're seeing this video, please like this video because it would greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm and a lot more people just like yourself will see this video. That's it, guys. I hope that this video has convinced you to start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Please leave me a comment below telling me which is the first product that you're gonna sell. I promise I'm gonna see all of the comments and I'm gonna respond to you. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Until next time.